Welcome back to and this guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to use gift card in KFC. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do, if you haven't already, is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in KFC, just click the create account option and just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, using a gift card is one of the best convenient way for you to allow in enjoying meals without needing to carry cash. You can use the gift card to pay for your order at any KFC restaurant, be it in-store or online, without having to worry about exact change. Now, gift cards can help you stick to a budget because, for example, I wanted to order this chicken sandwich. I'm gonna add it to bag. And what's added, let me just click on this item right here. For example, I want to check out. Now, as you can see, there is no way for you to add the KFC gift card when you order a specific item here, right? All you have to do is choose the Google Pay or the this option. Now, instead, I need you to hover to your upper right corner and go to the KFC rewards if you have that. All right. Click on points. And then from here, if you have enough points, you can use that to redeem on any purchase items that you wanted here on KFC. Now, alternatively, go again to your profile and go to payment methods. And from here, you can add a payment, which is going to be your KFC gift card. All right, all I have to do is enter your gift card number and that's it. You can use it on the checkout process like you did earlier. Now, you can redeem specific gift card in this platform. Now, this website is called cardcrazy.com and they offer KFC in-store gift cards. All right, now after that, you can also go to woohoo.com and you can use the KFC gift card or instant voucher as well. All you have to do is, of course, you can deliver it via mail or SMS or both. Now, in case you encounter any problems using your gift card in KFC online, you might want to go here at the gift card support, and from here you can type in or you can ask the virtual assistant or you can call the KFC number, right? After that, tell them you're having problems using your gift card in KFC. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.